This one tip could change your life. If your furry friend has a cough, then you need to check out Fifth Fido Kennel Cough Treatment. This treatment helps with throat and respiratory support and is a great suppressant for both dry and wet coughs. And it's suitable for both large and small dogs. Fifth Fido's Kennel Cough Treatment is a great way to keep your furry friend's cough at bay. It was super easy to use, it's effective, and has helped my dog feel so much better. Pick up your bottle today and help your furry friend feel better in no time.